They said no rain, but I felt a couple drops. Probably not allowed, but you know, I like to break the rules. Let's go! Load them up! Let's go bye-byes! I got the small one, like for a car, over in the truck lanes. Well, we sent Mike in to go check in. Here you park and walk in and check in. Piper is keeping watch. Is he coming back yet, Pipe? What do you think, guy? Is she telling you anything? Did she tell you? Huh? Oh, boy. Our site is right here, but there's no easy way to get to it, so you can't back it in. The angle is the angle of the bedangle was way off. So he's turning around in the intersection coming in this way.
Guy, the fire's gonna get you. It's gonna get you.
I told you not to lay there.
It doesn't seem to, it's a little bit windy.
Yeah, just a tad. Gotta try to keep my cardboard from starting any more grass fires. Look at this. Now the Super C. Back it in. Just back it in. Well, apparently there is a disc golf tournament going on, and it's right on the trail, which is kind of stupid. But here we are. We're gonna turn around because there's just way too many disc golfers for our trail liking. This is more of a trail than the trail we were on earlier. It's like rugged. Is this the creek? Deer Creek?
Looks like a lake.
Yeah. Yeah, let's just cut through this one. These people didn't look like they're here, so I cut right through. Look at this piece of junk. Time to make some dessert. I'm going to be making some Golden Graham s'mores treats. I don't really even know what to call them, but they're like a Rice Krispie treat, but you make them with Golden Graham cereal and some chocolate chips. So it's kind of like a s'mores treat at the end. So I've got a whole box of Golden Graham cereal, mini marshmallows, and some semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1 stick of butter in a pan, and I will be putting them in this. What you're gonna do first is just melt down your stick of butter in your pan. Once the butter is all melted, you're going to add and melt in your mini marshmallows. Once they are all melted down, Then I'm going to turn off the heat and add a couple of the chocolate chips and all of the Golden Graham cereal. This is always the worst part. Like, I hate stirring this up. Such a pain. Well, actually cleaning up is the worst part. Take that back. Maybe I can get Mike to do the dishes again. That'd be great. I'm gonna call this good. It's kind of mixed up for the most part. Good enough. In case anyone is wondering, this is just the 11.7 ounce box. I haven't used all the chocolate chips. I like to have a mixture of some that are melted and some that aren't. So that's what these are for. I'm gonna put these on top. So it should be pretty good. It is all done. Just gotta let it cool off a little bit and cut into it. Have you guys ever made this before? If you have, let me know in the comments and let me know if you think this is better than regular Rice Krispie treats. Of course, there's dark clouds, blue sky right there.
Oh my God.
I hope that's a good oh my God.
Yeah, it is.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's still melty. They said no rain, but I felt a couple drops. I don't think it'll last long though. Yeah, it's raining right now. This is not cool. Not cool. We just had our fire going because I need good coals to make dinner tonight. Picked up out of nowhere, great. Luckily, just a couple minutes later, probably 5-10 minutes, sun is out, rain has stopped. We were able to save the fire too. Grease fire going.
Look how full that is.
Yeah, that's really full. Yeah, it's just gonna flop out of there. Oh! Take 2 of the rain and wind. Yippee. I'm gonna take this XP light, this Lectric XP light out on a bike ride with our friends. Mike is gonna go in and lay down for a little bit. He's had some sinus pressure from this drastic weather change because it was like 80 degrees yesterday and like 50 degrees and cold, 30 degrees at night. So big weather change kind of affected him. So he's gonna take it easy and then we're gonna hang around the campfire where I'm gonna do some cooking. I win. It's always a race. Probably not allowed, but you know, like to break the rules. Very bumpy, but it's all stone, so it's not bad for bikes. Right through the site. Not bad. 15. It is time for dinner, and I'm going to be making some foil packs over the campfire. These are going to have some smoked sausage. Mike bought some turkey sausage. I've got a bell pepper from our garden, some hot peppers from our garden, some cheese. I'm gonna put some broccoli in there, an onion, and some potatoes. I think those will be nice and hearty because it is pretty chilly outside, but then it'd also be like a nice, warm, yummy, delicious meal to have. We haven't had foil packs in a while, so I thought, you know what? Tonight's the night. We're gonna do this. So let's get going. She apologized.
What'd you do?
She spilled all the water.
Did that.
Spilled my water pipe. Got some leaves in it. Got my foil packs, gonna check to make sure they're done and add my cheese. Oh yeah, definitely look perfect. Time for some cheese. Here is the finished product dumped out on a plate. Looks amazing, smells amazing. Hopefully it'll taste amazing. What do you think?
It's good.
Good?
Yeah.
Foil pack win?
Yeah, super hot.
Yeah.
It's very thoroughly cooked.
Oh, that's good, I guess. What do you think, Pipe? What about you guys? Yeah, you want some? Well, Deer Creek State Park was a good one for us. We actually had some storms that rolled through, big surprise there. But overall, it wasn't too bad. It was certainly the first taste of fall of the season, and that was kind of refreshing. We're hoping that now the campgrounds will start to clear out and winter camping is just around the corner. And you guys know this more than anyone, that we love us some winter camping. We had a good time here. We hung out with our friends, Matt and Debbie, and it was both of our first times here. It's a really large park with great campsites. They have a whole bunch of different types of campsites. Right now we are basically all packed up, ready to go. Mike is hooking up the Jeep. So till next time, see ya.